Imagine a house not built around rooms, but as a single, unified structure. This is House H, a masterpiece of modern architecture where engineering and design become one. Here, the lines between feasibility and form blur, creating a breathtaking living space that seems to defy gravity. Our story begins at the top. A massive, 41-meter-long concrete slab forms the ceiling, suspended by two equally impressive longitudinal beams. These titans of concrete defy expectations by extending a staggering 7 meters beyond the supporting walls, creating a sense of weightlessness. Below, a mirror image exists. Another set of beams cradles the floor, mirroring the structure above. But House H isn't just about defiance. It's a dance of support. The four walls that hold the upper beams become the pillars for the lower level, housing bedrooms. This interplay of structure and function extends further. The beams themselves transform into a long wooden shelf, seamlessly integrating utility with design. House H isn't a stranger to its environment. The east-west facing volume, which houses the entrance and the pool, acts as a bridge between the structure and the dramatic slope it rests upon. This cantilevered wedge not only creates a stunning pool area, but also reinforces the feeling that the house is levitating above the landscape. But House H isn't just about aesthetics. It's a thoughtfully designed living space. The upper level boasts a vast open area, free from partitions and columns, housing the living room, dining room, and kitchen in a single, flowing space. The master bedroom with its ensuite bathroom also resides on this level. Downstairs, accessed from the exterior, a family room and additional bedrooms provide ample space. Movement within the house is as captivating as its form. A unique combination of a staircase and a ramp connects the two levels, rising at the intersection of the transverse structures and the pool volume. This innovative design choice not only aids accessibility but also emphasizes the project's core concept, a structure floating above the ground. The staircase and ramp lead to a hidden gem, a courtyard that runs underneath the main structure. This open space reinforces the idea of levitation and allows natural light to permeate the lower level. House H isn't just a house, it's a testament to the power of visionary architecture. It's where structure becomes space, where engineering becomes art, and where living becomes an experience unlike any other.